To all my fellow Floridians still battling this storm, please stay safe. For those of you who have been severely impacted by this storm, my thoughts and prayers are with you. I pray you're able to rebuild your life as quickly as possible. During this hurricane, which is now a tropical storm, I was sent a very interesting news report. And in the news report, the reporter had placed a condom over her mic to make it waterproof, and she explained it more in details in a follow-up video after people started questioning what the heck is on your microphone. And I thought to myself, I was like, no way, I mean, like, if you think of it from a technical perspective, like, how does that even work? Because nothing passes through a condom. So I was thinking, like, how does sound waves make it past the condom and into the mic? I just don't understand how it worked. I thought about doing a little experiment here just to see if this is an actual hack that people do. Now, you know, there are professional mic companies that make waterproof covers for mics, so using a condom is probably not the best thing to use. You're better off a waterproof mic cover. But if you're in a pinch, I mean, if this works, I guess so. You know, you can just drop in a convenience store and just pick one up. Kind of like what the reporter did. So let's try this out. So let's see if this works. First thing I got to do is I got to connect this mic. So let me disconnect this one. Alright, so mic's connected. So let's go ahead and place a condom over it. Now before I do this, let me just say that I suspect that the sound will be muffled. That's the idea I have in my head when I think about placing a condom over a mic. The sound is going to be muffled. Alright, so I got the condom over the mic and I'm talking to it now. And I'm talking to the mic now. Alright, so this is crazy, but it does work. And I'm surprised it works because I really thought that it was going to block my voice from the mic picking up my voice. And it turns out to work pretty good. And best part is it's waterproof now. Honestly, I don't know if this is going to break the microphone down. So this hack really does work. That does it for this video. Be sure to subscribe if you found this video helpful. Give us thumbs up. Hasta luego, muchachos.